To make a post request Laravel backend, go to Axios official website and view the Axios API section. Copy this code and paste it into the callback function in the Editor.js save method. Sending the data object with a key called content data and a value of output data. The URL is post.create router URL. Save the file. Axios configuration is done. Paste some paragraphs into the form and click the Save button. It's going to the right URL, but getting a 500 internal server error. To check out what kind of response you're getting back in the browser's network section, and click that error request. It says post controller does not exit. We have to import post controller into the web roots file. After fixing that bug, paste some paragraphs into the form and click the Save button. Again shown in the error. It says the post controller create method does not exit. To fix that, we have to rename the post controller store method to create. To check what kind of data we are sending in, we have returned response data as JSON data. Paste some paragraphs into the form and click the Save button. Now that is working, we are sending the right data. The next step is to save the data into a database. Before saving data into a database, we have to serialize the request data using the JSON encode method. Now everything works properly, and the data has been saved. In the next video, I will add an image upload tool to Editor.js. Thanks for watching, please like, share, and subscribe.